Welcome to Osborne Wood Products 2-Minute Tuesdays, where you can get the latest information about products, installation tips, or other news. I am Diana Jackson, Customer Service Representative at Osborne. Sometimes I have customers who are interested in creating furniture with a distressed or weathered look. If you have interest in ordering this product with this characteristic, you may want to consider ordering Osborne's Weathered Wood Distressing Service on your next product purchase. The Weathered Wood Distressing Service is offered on a selection of table legs, island legs, corbels, and skirts. This service will eliminate your needing to distress the product upon arrival. The Weathered Wood Distressing Service is intended for products made from knotty pine or red oak. Although the Weathered Wood Distressing Service is available for a small fee, it is important to remember that products with services are final sales and cannot be returned. Thanks for joining me for Osborne Wood Products 2-Minute Tuesdays. You can find out more about our weathered service on our website, www.osbornewood.com. If you would like to stay up to date on product releases, installation tips, or other news, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Until next time, I hope you take the opportunity to build something beautiful.